unicorn.
There he is. Oh, geez, now he's in the sun. Blinded me.
I haven't either.
I got him now.
Tree!
Ha ha! He still landed though. Look at that. He still landed. Yay! Good job, Roy.
Oh, you mean out there? Oh, well, nobody told me that.
Yeah, you don't go over that way. Don't go back there by the trees. Come.
Nobody told me where to land.
Nobody told you where to land.
Trying to fly it into his trunk.
Yeah, because it went. He tried to go into Kelly's door and went over.
Broke yet?
Oh,
It ain't broke. Them things don't break easy.
I don't know how much battery you got left.
None.
Good job,
This
man.
scared me enough. I quit right now.
Good job.